In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Tradingview app. By the end, you'll have the official Tradingview app installed on your phone and ready to explore real-time charts, indicators, and market tracking tools, all from a trusted source. Let's start on Android. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Play Store. At the top, tap the search bar and type Tradingview. When the results load, look carefully for the official listing titled Tradingview, Track All Markets. This name helps you spot the real app among lookalikes. Once you've found it, tap Install. The Play Store will begin downloading and installing the app automatically. Depending on your connection, this may take a moment, so just let it finish. When the progress bar completes and the button changes, tap Open to launch Tradingview right away. If you're on iPhone, you'll get the app from the App Store. The process mirrors what we just covered on Android. You'll search for Tradingview, confirm you found the official app, and then download it from Apple's trusted storefront. A quick note on compatibility. Most Android devices will need Android 8.0 or newer to install Tradingview smoothly. On iPhone, plan on using iOS 16 or later. If you're running an older version, consider updating your device software before you try to download. This helps avoid installation errors and ensures the app runs as designed. It's very important to download only from official stores like Google Play or the App Store. Avoid third-party APK websites or unofficial download links. These can be unsafe, may contain modified or fake versions, and could put your device and data at risk. Sticking to the official listing keeps you secure and guarantees you get the latest updates and features. Once the app opens, you'll land on the main interface where you can explore real-time price charts, apply popular indicators, and keep an eye on the markets you care about. If you're new to the platform, take a moment to look around and get comfortable. The official app is designed to deliver the same powerful charting experience you may know from the web, optimized for your phone so you can analyze on the go. That's all you need to get Tradingview on your mobile device. Open the Google Play Store, search for Tradingview, track all markets, tap Install, wait for it to finish, and tap Open. Remember the key tips. Use the official store, check your device version, and avoid APK sites. You're ready to dive into the charts with confidence.